Hi, welcome to CheqUp. We know that receiving your Wegovy pen creates a mix of excitement and nervousness. Some of our customers jump straight in, others need a bit of help. So today I'm going to show you how to safely use your Wegovy pen step by step. Let's have a quick look at what's in the box. Inside, you'll find the following: a weight loss medication pen, which contains 4 doses, 1 to be taken each week. Each pen therefore lasts 1 month. There's a pack of needles, a helpful booklet with your information on your medication, plus an ice pack that helps keep your medication cool in the post. But don't worry if that's melted, your medication is fine at room temperature for several weeks. Sometimes we change the design or packaging of our boxes, so don't worry if yours looks a bit different to this one. Always start by washing your hands thoroughly. Step 1. To start, remove the cap from the pen and keep it to one side. Next, check the expiry date, the dose strength, and the colour of the medication. It should be clear and colourless. Step 2. Take a wipe and clean the top of your pen. Step 3. Take 1 needle from the pack, remove the paper cover and screw it on to attach it to the pen. Then remove the plastic cap and the inner cap to expose the needle. You must not prime or use the pen without a needle in it, otherwise it will break. Step 4. Before you use the pen for the first time, you'll need to prime it. This basically means that you're removing air from the cartridge before the first dose. Turn the dose knob until you see 2 small dots appear in the dose window. This is the prime position. With the needle pointing upwards, press the dose button. You should see a small drop of liquid appearing at the tip of the needle, and the dose counter will return to 0. If not, please repeat the process to make sure any air bubbles are cleared from the pen. Step 5. Choose a place to inject. This could be your stomach, thigh, or upper arm. Clean the area with a wipe and let it dry. And don't forget to rotate your injection sites each time you use the pen. Step 6. When you're ready for your first dose, twist the end until you reach the prescribed dose. This one is 0.25 milligrams. You have to twist quite a lot further than you think. You are now ready to inject. When you've chosen your injection site, pinch your skin and insert the needle at a 90-degree angle. Now, for demo purposes, I'm going to use an orange for this next bit. Make sure you can see the dose counter window as you inject. Push and hold down the dose button until you hear a click. Then count to 6 slowly to make sure you get the full dose. Check the dose window has reset to 0. This is confirmation that the full dose has been administered. Step 7. After injecting, reapply both parts of the needle cap. Unscrew the needle, then dispose of it safely in a sharps container. After use, put the cap back on the pen and store it in a dry place, somewhere safe. It doesn't need to be in the fridge, just make sure that it isn't kept anywhere that exceeds 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's it. You're all set. If you have any questions, please visit our website or contact help@chequp.com.